Departmentalization, for those who do not know, it means meron pong mga academic teachers who will be handling learning areas apart from the advisories na nag-handle ng per learning area ng bawat klase sa grade level. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng departmentalization. Most common practice kasi is one teacher will be teaching all the classes for a particular grade level pero isang subject lang yung ituturo niya. So it would imply na yung preparation niya would be much shorter kahit multiple classes ang i-handle niya. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng departmentalization. That would also mean that the assessments, evaluative assessments or the summative assessments that will be delivered for all the classes would be uniform kasi there will only be one teacher who will be handling that particular learning area. So yan po ang ibig sabihin ng departmentalization.